Hi, I'd like to welcome you to our show today. And we have an exciting guest with us, Marlene Lemus. And she's an amazing real estate agent. And today we're going to discuss how veterans can get into a home with zero down with their veteran benefits.
Hello. Hi.
Hi,
Oh, yeah.
Marlene.
Thanks.
Welcome to the show. I'm so excited to have you on the show today. And I know that you have many talents in real estate and that you've actually helped quite a few veterans use their VA benefits to buy a home. So first of all, can you just tell us a little bit about how you ended up in real estate?
When I was 1999, I was actually raising my boys, and I met this amazing broker, and he invited me to real estate to become an assistant. And sadly, 2003, he passed from cancer. And after that, he said, Marlene, you have to get your license. He was actually doing commercial. And he said that he was just doing commercial. So he said, you have to go back. You have to do real estate. You're really good at it. And I said, okay. Then I try another company, and then I met this amazing broker, Jason Bosch. And I was with him for a little bit. And then I said, I think I'm going to try Remax. And I moved to Remax back in 2007. And since then, I've been doing, you name it. You do businesses. I do businesses. Do you do commercial? Yes, I do commercial. You do residential? Yes, I do. And happened to meet this gentleman that wanted to do a VA loan, and no one wanted to do it. And I said, let's do this. Let's go to San Bernardino. Let's go to the office. Let's put the documents together. And I said, you know what? I was proud of myself because I was able to put it together. I just didn't know how I did it, but I said, let's do it together. So yeah, I was so proud of myself.
That's fantastic, which now I know you've helped quite a few vets get into homes using their VA loan. So that's fantastic. You were able to start by helping that individual. So then have you been a realtor since 2003? Have you had your license for about 18 years or?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. And then Marlene, now how many languages do you speak? Because it's rare in this market to find a bilingual realtor. And I know there's many people where English is actually their second language, not their first language. So of course they would prefer a realtor that spoke their own language, reviewing contracts and everything that it takes to buy a home. So what languages do you speak?
Well, I grew up in San Salvador, so I speak Spanish. So yes, that's my first one. So then English is my second one. So yes.
That's fantastic. And then how old were you when you moved from San Salvador?
I was 17.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So now do you still have family there?
My sister, she's an attorney. She's the only one lives there. My mom and my sisters, they all live in Temecula. Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
Now, do you know, I know that we are supposed to have the largest concentration of veterans in Southern California in the United States. So now, I know it's fairly low, but do you know what percentage of veterans have taken advantage of the zero down home buying program?
To be honest with you, everyone that wants to buy a VA loan, they just want to go 0% down payment. So yes,
Right.
uh, a huge percentage of VAs, they want to do. I have a lot of friends that are Navy, ex-Navy,
Oh,
and they
uh-huh.
all buy with zero, VA loans. So they like it because it's no money involved.
That's fantastic.
Yes,
And then now I also heard that less than 10% of the vets in
yes,
Southern California had taken advantage of their VA loan benefits, which is so low because what our goal is, I know that you're a veteran friendly agent and so am I. We want to see veterans buy as many homes as possible to get them that foundation. And
correct.
so I know that's such a low percentage. I guess a lot of the veterans don't realize they can buy a home with zero down. So
Correct.
now, in your opinion, is the VA loan program better than getting a conventional or an FHA loan?
I totally agree. The reason is that when someone purchases a VA loan, they have to make sure that the property qualifies for. It's almost like buying conventional. You can buy something that has electrical issue, has all kinds of problems, and they are okay with that. And on an FHA is another thing also. But when you buy a VA loan, they have to make sure that everything is ready.
For
Yes,
the veteran, which is very,
correct.
very good. That's a very
It is.
good policy.
Yes,
Also, I think I had heard that with VA loans that they pay no mortgage insurance, where with
that is another. Mhm.
conventional and FHA, if you put less than 20% down, you pay mortgage insurance. But is that correct? That with a VA loan, you're not going to pay mortgage insurance?
That is correct. Yes.
That's excellent.
I
That's
know.
excellent.
I know. Yeah. Yeah.
So now, Marlene, would you say there's tax advantages to buying a home versus renting?
Oh, yeah, totally, totally. Renting is renting, and you just throwing your money out of your pocket, and you're not getting it back. Yes,
Uh-huh. So
yes.
then you would be getting, would you say, I know you're not a CPA, so you can't give tax advice, but so would you say there are tax write-offs that veterans could get with home ownership that they're unable to get with renting?
Oh, yeah, yeah. I know. I
Okay.
know. Like you said, I'm not a CPA, but I know. Yes, yes.
Yeah, so that's amazing because I feel like so many people that are not independent contractors and are W 2 employees, they have very, very few tax write offs. So, I mean, I think that may be another benefit of the veterans using their VA loans. So, now what areas of Southern California do you specialize in?
To be honest with you, my VA loans that I had done are being pretty much in the Chino Hills area, a few in, I will say, Bakersfield. I
Oh,
have a
so you
friend,
cover a big
Baker.
area.
I know. I
You
have a
cover a
couple
big
of
area.
clients that I know. I have a couple of clients. One is a doctor, and he knows that people wanted to buy VA in the area. Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes.
That's amazing. So then, now, what is the best way, Marlene, for people to reach you? What is the best way? Email you or call you or?
To be honest with you, I am really good at texting and email. So pretty much people always reach out to me and ask me, "Hey, Marlene, I have a client for you. It's a VA. Give me a call." So text and then the phone call, but pretty much it's a text, the first step.
Okay, that sounds
Yeah.
great, Marlene. And then also I've heard, I know that in previously there were really limited amounts that you could spend on a home getting a VA loan. Like their loan limits were very low, which
Yeah.
as we all know in this area, the cost of housing is not really low in Orange County, LA County, Riverside County, all the different areas around here. And so I had heard that they don't really have limits on the VA loans anymore. So that's an advantage. Also, I actually had a client that bought a house in Fallbrook, and he had been a Marine for 30 years. And he just bought a home for $920,000 with zero down using his VA loan. And I know another loan that we did was $2.4 million. So the good thing about the VA loans, which I know you're aware of this, is that you can help anyone that wants a VA loan. It doesn't matter if it's a home for $200,000 up to $2.5 million.
I agree with you. I do have a client. He was buying in San Diego. He's the husband of one of my good clients. So they purchased a house in San Diego, and they moved back to Orange County. So they have a really, really beautiful home in North Tustin. So yes, I am 100% with you that the prices changes. Riverside County, San Bernardino, and Orange County, San Diego. So which is a totally different market. But as you know, we have to learn the business. We have to learn the client. We have to learn everything that is the process. So it's not a biggie.
Yeah. Right. So then now, did your client in North Tustin, did he get a VA loan?
He did get a VA loan. Yes.
That's fantastic.
I know. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, because I know the homes in North Tustin are like, most of them are $1 million and above. So that's fantastic that he could pay zero down and buy a home and get all the tax benefits.
That is correct. That's
fantastic. Yes. That's fantastic. So Marlene, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, to be honest with you, I am actually, since I relocate to Chino Hills, I still have my clients in the Orange County. As you know, I did work in Santa Ana for a long time. So I know the market. I'm pretty much, my office is in Chino Hills now, but I'm constantly in north of Orange County. I am always in the area. Yes.
Good. That's fantastic.
I know. Yes.
Good. So anyway, please contact Marlene for any further information or any questions that you have at all about real estate or how you would be able to get your VA loan with zero down. And Marlene can help you get qualified. So anyway, Marlene, I can't thank you enough for being on the show with us today.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just want to thank you and wish you the best of luck, and we'll talk soon.
Thank you so much. Just one more thing. When I told my client that I sold, he actually represents all of the firefighters in LA County. So when I just told him a few minutes ago that I was going to be having a meeting with you, he was so excited because he's still working for the fire department. So he was so excited. He used to do this gathering just with all of the firefighters in Chino Hills.
Oh my gosh.
they do all of these parades and invite me.
Yeah.
Hey, she's my realtor. I love Marlene, whatever, whoever.
Oh,
So yeah,
that's fantastic. Yeah,
I
and
know.
a lot of the firefighters are vets, and I mean, they're definitely our heroes as well because they've been
Yeah,
serving the state of California going beyond.
I
So,
know. I know. Yes.
yeah. So anyway, Marlene, well, that's fantastic. And thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much for
much.
being our guest. Okay. Thank you,
Thank you
Marlene.
so much.